Hey guys, welcome back to the next lecture. Now this formula is actually pretty cool. Now, I gotta tell you the story of how I discovered this formula. I have a workmate and he knows who he is. And he has this unhealthy obsession with using capital letters for freaking everything. And it got really annoying because I had to clean it up every single time. And it got to the point where he was actually doing it just to annoy me. So, thanks to him. And what I found was this formula, and it cleans up the text. Either you can have it all uppercase letters or lowercase, or you can have it so the first letter is uppercase and the rest are lowercase. Now, I only discovered that this year, and I've been using Excel a long time, so it's always exciting when you've been using it a long time and you can still discover new things like this. So it's a really awesome tool. Now, the functions are called upper, lower, and proper. So we're going to go through all three of them now. So first we're going to add three new rows. Okay, so let's select these three rows, right click, insert. Okay, so now I'm going to call this first one upper. The next one we're going to call lower. And the last one we're going to call proper. Now I'm just going to highlight these so we know where we're working. Yellow. Okay, so the formula works like this. As you can see from our text, it's all inconsistent. Now, before I learned about this, I would have to go into each one and type in Tuesday, and type in capital T and then capital F, then make this lowercase, and then this one I would just have to fix. So it was a bit of a nuisance, and I was spending a little bit of time on these things. Now, if you have a list of 100 things, each one takes 5 seconds. That's 500 seconds. Divide that by 60. What is that? 8 minutes, right? And 20 seconds. So, I mean, it adds up. It adds up really quickly. So the formula works like this. You want to go equals, because it is a formula, and you want to type in upper. UPPER, bracket. Okay, now you want to select the text like so. Close the bracket and press enter. Now look at that. What it's done is made it all capital letters. Now let's use the fill handle to complete the data, or we can double click. I'm going to double click so that you guys get familiar with the fill handle shortcut. So double click. There we go. Now the thing is, it's all capitals. But the most important thing is it's now consistent. Okay, it's now presentable. I'd rather something all lowercase or all uppercase and be consistent than things be all over the place. Okay, so the next one is lower. So let's go equals, lower, bracket, and select the day again. Close bracket, enter. So again, let's use the fill handle. And now it's made everything lowercase. Again, consistent. It's the consistency that really makes it pretty. Makes it beautiful almost, So the third one is proper. Now this one is really cool. So you go equals, proper. Now you want to select the day, close the bracket, enter. Now let's extend that. And look at that. Man, if I knew this years ago, it would have saved my life. It's made everything to have a capital letter on the first letter and then lowercase for the rest. I mean, to do this takes seconds now. So you're again dividing your workload by 10, by 20, whatever it may be, depending on how much data it is. So very powerful tool. See how you go with it. You'll most likely be using this all the time, especially if you're getting data in from other people. Okay, so enough from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.